Hey everyone, today's video is going to be a little different than normal. It's not a Pokemon card unboxing, but it's a mail unboxing. This giant box right here. It is the stuff that I ordered from Blizzard's gear site. Last week they had a spring clearance sale and they had so much stuff marked down for really cheap. They had like pop figures for $250, oversized pops for $425. They had shirts really cheap and just all sorts of stuff. And I had to grab a couple things, so that's what we'll be doing right now is unboxing this. So let me grab something and let's get started. Alright, here we go. First thing in here is, actually this isn't mine. I got it for my mom. It's a Heroes of the Storm duffel bag, which, see the label there, maybe. There we go. Next is my Hearthstone throw pillow. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And here it is completely out of the box. It's actually really soft. Maybe I got that. Next. Ooh. The Arthas figure from Hero of the Storms. The Lich King is my favorite character out of the whole World of Warcraft or Warcraft lore. So I was really happy to see that. Next. Ooh, it's in a little baggie. It's a Dark Whelping. Let me see if I can get this with one hand. Oh, it's tight. There we go. Maybe. Okay, finally got the bag off. Here it is. It's actually really cool. It reminds me of when I was playing WoW in high school and trying to get one of these as a pet. Alright. Next, actually, yeah. This, I have wanted the Deathwing oversized pop for forever. And I could not pass it up, especially for only $4. Look at that. So menacing yet adorable. Okay, next. The Diablo pop. Very cool. I had actually completely forgot about him until I seen him on the shop. Here's all the other WoW pops. Now, Arthas, Kerrigan, and Jim Raynor I already have, so they won't be in this video. Next, Lady Sylvanas. This is another one I've been wanting for a very long time. Really happy I was able to find her. Oh, they actually didn't have Thrall on the website. I just realized that. Yeah, oh well. I think he's like only $10 on Amazon. Really cool. Okay. And this one is Illidan. The one I was going to get no matter what. So cool. It's actually weird that his Warglave's on his hand and not in his hand. Oh well. Still really cool. And then last but not least, Tyrael. I think there's only 2 Diablo pops. Yeah, Diablo and Tyrael. So, finished that set, and I have almost all of the, well, minus the Overwatch ones, have almost all of the WoW pops. But that would be it, everyone. I just wanted to do a quick video of this. I thought it would be pretty neat to unbox it. And I'm knocking it all over too. But I've been very excited about it. And that's why I wanted to get the Pokemon cards out of the way. Well, the Sun and Moon box. So, I actually didn't think that it was going to come today. I thought it was going to be probably tomorrow or later in the week, but I'm still very excited. Well, I'm actually more excited now that it's here. Duh. So cool. They also have a Illidan and a Tyrael of these kind of figures here. Oh, actually, the back of the box it shows it. Tyrael. Oh, they have a Stitch too. Stitches. Nova and Illidan. Now thinking of it, I think they had those on there too. Alrighty, everyone. Thanks for watching. We will start the next Pokemon card unboxing, which is the Sun and Moon 1 Plus set from Japan. Probably in, I'd say probably 2 or 3 days. So, alrighty. Once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. And I will see you in the next video.